Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the IndeedSEO channel, where we talk about all things digital marketing. If you're looking to build a website and actually get traffic, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break it down step by step, no fluff, just actionable tips you can use right now. Choose the right niche. First things first, before you even start building, you've got to pick the right niche. You need something that's in demand, but not too crowded. Do your research, look for keywords that people are actually searching for. A little competition is good because it shows there's interest, but too much competition might make it harder to rank. Tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, or even SEMrush are great for this. Choose the right platform. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to choose a platform. WordPress is the go-to for most people, but if you want something simpler, Wix or Squarespace could work too. Make sure your platform is scalable. You want room to grow, don't limit yourself just because you want an easy start. Design and content. Next up, design and content. You don't need a website that looks like $1 million right out of the gate, but it should be clean, easy to navigate, and mobile friendly. Now, for content, this is key. Start writing blog posts, creating guides, and making videos that answer real questions your audience has. Trust me, Google loves content that solves problems. SEO basics. Alright, let's talk SEO. This is where most people drop the ball. You need to optimize your site for search engines, and that starts with on-page SEO. Make sure your website is using the right keywords, your pages have a solid meta description, and your images are optimized. Plus, don't forget about site speed. If your site is slow, people are leaving before they even get a chance to see what you have to offer. Get traffic with social media and backlinks. Building the site is only half the battle. Now, you need traffic. Use social media to spread the word. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok, pick the platforms your target audience hangs out on and start engaging. But don't just rely on social media. Backlinks are still one of the most powerful ways to get traffic. Reach out to bloggers, influencers, or even websites in your niche to get links back to your site. Track your progress. Lastly, make sure you're tracking everything. Set up Google Analytics so you can see where your traffic is coming from and what's working. If you're not tracking your progress, how do you know if your efforts are paying off? And trust me, every successful website out there is tracking and tweaking. So, there you have it. From picking the right niche to optimizing for SEO and building traffic, starting a website and actually getting people to visit isn't impossible, it just takes a bit of strategy and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more marketing tips. And hey, if you need help getting traffic to your site, reach out to us at IndeedSEO. We're here to help you grow. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay awesome and keep growing.